Hello. Welcome back to my channel. I am Ananya. This is Sona's video diaries and I am making my summer diary editions. And I needed a lot more light to film this, so मैंने lights on कर ली हैं सारी. But I am home for the summer and एक हफ्ता हो चुका है मुझे आए, but I was too lazy to vlog. I am doing an internship and tomorrow I will meet my best friend if she replies to my text, that is. But just look at the nice trashy scenario of my room right now. Like, it's been like 8 days since I've been home and I haven't unpacked both my suitcases. They're just flowing into my room. And अब मैं legit पहले थोड़ा सा room साफ करूँगी, थोड़ी video edit. I literally set that up to shoot a video and मुझे वो edit करना है. I am thirsty and I don't have a single drop of water in the room. And मैं अपने DSLR से shoot कर रही हूँ, so it's a bit heavy. So if बहुत ज़्यादा movement हो रहा है, forgive me, but there is nothing I can do. You're coming with me to get some water. My patent mark of being at home is being in my brother's t-shirts because अपने कपड़े कौन पहने जब उसके fit आ रहे हैं मुझे. So that's that. But agenda number 1 is cleaning the room. Agenda number 2 is editing his videos and I might swap them because I'd rather post first, clean later.
Good morning. So this is the next day. Room is in a better condition, I would say. I woke up so late and I'm running so late. अभी अनुष्का कभी भी आती होगी and I am not at all ready. Just need to wind up the room, the house, and get ready. So let's just finish this off and go get ready. So I have finally accomplished the clean room. Apart from that chair there, just थोड़ी सी laundry अभी भी है because I have to sort through it. But yeah. Now I'm gonna go now, and this is the dress I'm wearing for today, so I will show you how I look. And I'm very excited for Anushka to come. I don't know when she's coming, she hasn't texted me. The surprise is killing me.
Oh, I am finally in the dress and I am very far away from the camera, so I don't know if it's going to so I will show this later. But now it's time to do some makeup so that I can get ready and leave. Madam Busy Bee. Did you have fun?
A lot. A lot of fun.
अपन ने उतना vlog नहीं किया जितना दो. Like,
नहीं.
जो छोटी-छोटी videos बनाई हैं, I'll just compile those. तो
Taking a video.
हाँ.
Is it still running?
बंद कर सकती हूँ मैं?
नहीं, it's fine. I just need to.
You do look very pretty. Over the years, तू काफी refined लगने लगी है.
What do you mean by refined?
हाँ. Do I want to elaborate on the refined?
Please do.
जैसे you know how everybody has certain features which they grow into. So for example, eyebrows. They have always been this shape. But somehow over the years, they have started looking more pretty on you. Like ऐसा लगता है कि that's the first thing I look at when I look at your face, your eyebrows.
A lot of people do compliment me.
हाँ.
I do them by myself.
बहुत अच्छा shape है. I really like it. I see such a nice eyebrow lady. Like if you ever need recommendations, let me know.
I can teach you.
We should. अब मुझे ये बताओ तुम्हें नॉर्मल कैरामल चाहिए या बर्न्ड कैरामल चाहिए?
जैसा तूने एक बार बनाया था.
वो बर्न्ड था.
I do not know the difference.
The difference is कि एक में शुगर जलती है, एक में नहीं जलती है.
Wow, हिंदी to इंग्लिश to हिंदी नहीं करना था.
हल्का सा कड़वा टेस्ट आता है उस कैरामल में जो तुझे पसंद है नहीं मुझे. So that's the difference.
क्या स्टेबल हाथ रखना पड़ता है. Oh my god.
इसीलिए मैं यूजुअली ट्राइपॉड लेके वो करती हूँ व्लॉग.
मेरे हाथ अब शिवर करने चालू हो चुके हैं.
तो वो भी कर सकती है, तो तो सिनेमैटिक शॉट बना रही है. What is your review of the caramel coffee?
यार let me open my hair.
इतनी consciousness, my good.
Consciousness नहीं. If I'm coming in the vlog, I think I should look pretty, no?
You do look pretty, even.
मैं ऐसे भी debut कर रही हूँ.
कपड़े बड़े अच्छे हैं. Nice debut. अब बताओ, how is the kufi?
It's very nice, just how I like it. Little sweet, and I cannot taste milk, which I love.
मैंने इसीलिए ना बहुत ध्यान से मिल्क डाला है, पता चला मिल्क का टेस्ट आ गया. वो खौफ रहता है.
Very tasty.
क्या
I
मैं
really like it.
ये
Hope you could.
टेस्ट.
But I will also mess up.
College. You are introducing me to The Office.
I love the show. I really do love the show a lot.
Let's see.
My favorite.
This is your favorite.
One of them.
Caramel I have made is now a self-sustaining unit.
It's literally not coming out, you know.
उसको भी move मत करना. Leave this. I know what I need to do.
What?
Just don't do anything.
I can get this out, but if you want this,
I want the caramel. He said don't get this out. But that's very interesting. It has two handles now.
Your husband and kids are gonna have a ball with your cooking.
Yo! उतने में तूने 15 बार लिपस्टिक लगा ली होगी.
because I like reapplying my lipstick.
Did you have fun?
A lot. A lot.
Now it is time to goodbye. तो वॉलेट और फोन ही तो लेकर आती है हमेशा. यस.
चलो.
यस.
Bye.
आराम से मेरे दरवाजे में बैठो. Hello, so today is the day after I hung out with Anushka. The day after. I skipped a day in vlogging. I was just too exhausted. Now I have to get ready and head to the office. So I will go now. I will just get the camera because I don't want to set up the tripod. I will go now. I have to go buy pav because mummy ne pav bhaji banayi for my lunch. And Appu's lunch. Appu's also going to coaching. And ow! मैंने अपना टाकुर को मार लिया. I am just gonna go get ready. So I am ready. This is my outfit. My bag is packed, and now I am off to the office after taking my meds. Hello. Came back from the office and I've just changed into this dress to lounge in, and I think now I will sleep or eat. So let's go find out what I'm going to do. Hello, meow. Oh, so sweet. He's a hero. See, mummy. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
He knows. हाँ कि भाई
You remember that अभी केस जो हुआ था 2-3 साल पहले वहाँ बैंगलोर में the policeman shot.
हाँ उसी के बाद वो बनी थी ना सिम्बा.
हाँ.
Mummy, the pancakes look so good. I cannot even express my love. I am in so much of awe. Mama, have I ever told you that I love you? Good. After not vlogging for quite a while, I am again vlogging. I think I'm having an issue with the continuum of the shoot, but I'm wearing this beautiful necklace and I am in love. And it's not even a special occasion. I am just going to have dinner and then we are going to watch the final Mission Impossible Final Reckoning. And no matter how much I clean my room, comes back to square one with all its stuff. But look at this. I made myself a little reading corner there because nobody else uses that side of the bed. I sleep here, nobody else sleep there. So that's my reading corner with. So I am very aware that I look kind of sort of homeless, I would say, but I really just want to bake. So let's get to it. And I decided I will do like a sampling batch. So I will make 12 cakes, either 4 different flavors or 3 different flavors. क्योंकि I want to eat a lot of the flavors and मैं एक flavor का खूब सारा batch बना लेती हूँ तो neither I can eat it nor the rest of the people in my family. So let's go. Cupcakes, lemon cupcakes and coconut cupcakes, and I have never tried coconut before. तो बहुत ही experimental हो जाएगा. So first I'll go through a couple of recipes. Carrot cake, chocolate raspberry. These look more. I think I will just figure it out as I go. So this is my first batch, 3 lemon cupcakes. I really just can't wait to bite, but I want to decorate them, I want to have the vibe, so I will wait. So it is the next day and now I'm supposed to pack because we're leaving in like 2 or 3 hours for Bandhavgarh. So there's so much to do. I have to nahao and look like a human being and then I will pack. So let's go. I don't want to set this up on a tripod so it's on my cooler, but look, I did press on nails and I am so happy with how they look. I am done with my packing. I did not shoot that because it was quite chaotic and I am ready to leave. I feel very pretty in the kurti. I wore a cotton kurti because it's a road trip and I want to be comfortable. And yeah, that's it for this vlog. I really hope that you liked watching it and the rest of my summer diaries will be coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all and bye bye.